Hello, in this video I want to show you a few useful tips on how to set up Redmi 12 for a senior elderly person. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings, then you can scroll all the way down and here find additional settings. There's accessibility, and then now we have a few different tabs: general, vision, hearing and physical. And first let's go through the vision, and right here we can change the display size, and that will change how big icons are on your screen. So I recommend to put it on large. Save that. Next is magnification. You can enable that setting and this will allow you to magnify your screen to see something better. For example, this text right here, if we click on this loop right here, we'll be able to zoom in on the text. Next thing is color correction. You can enable it if you like, but it's not as much necessary. It would help you reduce motion sickness, or if someone has a problem with vision for colors, you can enable this setting and adjust it. Next thing is color inversion. I wouldn't change anything here, honestly. We can remove any animations and this will reduce motion sickness on this device. Next thing is high contrast text. If you enable it, text will become outlined just like that. But I'm gonna disable it for the sake of the video. And the next thing is hearing. Here you can enable mono audio. That way sound should come out from one speaker only, and you can adjust the audio balance so it will come more from the right or left side. You can enable hearing aids if you like, if you have any devices that can do it. And physical, let me see if there's something to change. Okay, we have one setting that might be important: touch and hold delay, and here you'll be able to make presses on this device longer. So if we set it to long like that, it will take more time to select any icon and open it. And last thing, I think we should be able to find in the text somewhere or on the display, and I want to change the text size right here and make it bigger so you can read everything much easier, like messages or basically anything else. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.